The next Brisbane City and Ipswich train will depart from platform 1 in approximately 13 minutes. This train runs express from Eagle Junction to Roma Street. The next Eagle Farm train will depart from platform 2 in approximately 8 minutes. This train stops at all stations except Doomben. Due to industrial action, only limited services will be running. The next Corinda train, travelling via South Brisbane, will depart from platform 3 in approximately 11 minutes. This train stops at all stations except Tennyson. The next Brisbane City and Springfield Central train will depart from platform 3 in approximately 15 minutes. This train stops at Virginia, then runs express from Northgate to Bowen Hills, stopping only at Eagle Junction, then stopping at Fortitude Valley, Central, Roma Street, Milton, Auchenflower, Toowong, Taringa, Indooroopilly, Chalmer, Graceville, Sherwood, Corinda, Oxley, Darra, Richlands, Springfield and Springfield Central.